Everybody wants to visit the Maldives. And yes, it is totally worth it. How do you get there? Well, taking a plane, obviously. Now that we got this out of the way, let us teach you how to find the best deals. The Maldives are located in the Indian Ocean. You can reach the international airport in Malé within a few hours from most of the international airports in India. The Maldives are really easy to go to. There are no travel restrictions. You will receive an on-arrival visa for everyone. It's one of the safest countries in the world, and you would be surprised how affordable it can be. Here is how you can find the best flights. Use a ticket search engine, such as Kiwi.com. This allows you to find the best deals from all airlines serving the desired destination. We put a link below so you can get started once we teach you how. Let's check two examples: Bangalore and Delhi to the Maldives. Traveling during November, staying in the Maldives for 8 to 10 nights. It's quick and easy. Enter the departure and arrival airports and travel dates. Use additional filters such as number of passengers, desired seating, either economy or business class, and the number of checked-in bags to improve your search results. Hit the search button and let's go! You can select from the presented flights, or use the pricing table and filters to play around with the dates and rates. And that's it! 8 nights in the Maldives from Bangalore to Malé in just 2 hours for less than 20,000 rupees. Now you only need to fill in your details and book the flight. Completely hassle-free, safe, and with great customer service. Depending on the season and time of booking, you can find even better deals. Check out our other videos about the Maldives. Learn all about the current COVID-19 measures, about your arrival, and how to get around the Maldives, or how to have a great experience for a fraction of the price. You can find the links in the description. Here's the other one: 9 nights in the Maldives from New Delhi to Malé in 4.5 hours for less than 29,000 rupees, or less than 25,000 rupees if you don't need a checked bag. If you found this video helpful, please hit those subscribe and like buttons, as it helps out our channel tremendously. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and happy travels!